Hi mga ka-soldering! For today's video, ang papakita po namin ngayon ay microscope LED ring light 60T. So Ate Jennifer, para saan po ba ginagamit ang microscope LED ring light 60T?
Okay. What is the use of microscope LED ring light in electronics? Microscope LED ring lights are commonly used in electronics for various purposes. Here are some uses of microscope LED ring lights in electronics. Number 1. Illumination. Microscope LED ring lights provide uniform and shadow-free illumination for electronic components and circuits. They help in enhancing visibility and clarity during the inspection, assembly, and repair of electronic devices. Number 2. Contrast enhancement. LED ring lights can be used to improve contrast and highlight specific features of electronic components. By adjusting the intensity and angle of the light, technicians can better observe details and identify defects or irregularities. Number 3. Macro photography. LED ring lights are also used in macro photography of electronic components. They provide even lighting and reduce shadows, allowing for clear and detailed images of small electronic parts. Number 4. Soldering and PCB inspection. When working with printed circuit boards or PCBs, microscope LED ring lights can assist in soldering and inspecting solder joints. The bright and focused illumination helps in identifying any soldering defects or bridge connections. Number 5. Quality control. Microscope LED ring lights are essential in quality control process for electronics manufacturing. They enable technicians to examine the surface conditions, alignment, and integrity of electronic components to ensure they meet the required standards. Overall, microscope LED ring lights play a crucial role in electronics by providing efficient and precise lighting for inspection, assembly, repair, and quality control processes.
So, itetest na po natin ang microscope LED ring light. Ito na po. Itetest na po natin siya. So, i-on na po natin siya. Ito po, dito po ang on ng microscope LED ring light. So, makikita na po natin na naka-on na po siya. So, nakikita po natin na sobrang lakas po ng ilaw. Pag gusto niyo po lakasan yung ilaw, ito lang po yung pipindutin niyo po. Yan lang po. Pagpahinaan naman po natin yung ilaw, ito naman po yung pipindutin po natin. So, yan na po. Nakikita nyo po na humihina na po yung ilaw. Yan. Pag ano naman po, pag gusto nyo naman po ng mode, nasa inyo po kung anong ilaw po ang gusto nyo, kung malakas or mahina po. Ganyan. Yan, makikita po natin. Yan, malakas po. Then, mahina. Diba? So, Ate Jenny, ano po bang specs ng microscope and LED ring light 60T?
The product has following advantages. Less fever heat, light is soft. Natural and non-strobe, color with no distorted. Long life, energy saving and small and beautiful installation is convenient. The power shell use of new imported injection molding and processing, aging resistance, with fire retardant, lampshade anti-static treatment. The color of shell can be according to client's needs to set. The product has 60 LED and their uniform distribution in 2 circumferences have 4 segment program switch modes. 4 keys can be individually controlled for different light. Can choose different angle illumination. It also has 2 keys for 10 section dimmer buttons. The annular lamp power supply shell size. Length is 130 and width is 102. Height is 29 mm. The annular lamp casing outside diameter size is 98 mm. The annular lamp connection size is 61 mm. The annular lamp shell thickness size is 28 mm. The annular lamp power is 4.5 watts. Input is 100 to 240 volts. Output is DC 12 volts. Brightness adjustment 0 to 100%. Brightness is 100 mm height above 16,000 lux. Luminous tube of LED is 60. Emitting color. It can be according to client's needs to set. Conventional white light 6,400K.
So yun mga kasoldering, wag na wag niyo pong kalimutan subscribe sa aming YouTube channel. Thank you!